The same query excites the tech community each time Samsung releases a new Galaxy flagship. Which models will use Samsung's own Exynos DNA and which will run on Qualcomm's potent Snapdragon chips? We may now have the answer regarding the Samsung Galaxy S26 lineup according to a recent leak. It's a huge one, too. The Exynos 2600 chipset is anticipated to power the Galaxy S26 Pro, formerly known as the basic model, and S26 Plus, while the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor will power the S26 Edge and the powerful S26 Ultra, according to data uncovered by Sam Mobile. Nonetheless, the source suggests that Snapdragon chips, which Samsung has done before, may power all versions in the US and China. Although the approach may seem familiar, the company's chip selections have frequently left fans wondering until the day of launch. Samsung uses its own Exynos CPUs to save money, but concerns about performance differences with Qualcomm's flagships remain. Questions that will undoubtedly come up again in 2026. It's interesting to note that the Galaxy S26 Plus, which was allegedly shelved in favor of the S26 Edge, now seems to be back in production, demonstrating how erratic Samsung's lineup intentions can be. Indeed, it appears that the S26 has been rebranded as the S26 Pro. A minor change to the branding instead than a significant redesign. It will continue to be the lineup's most reasonably priced vehicle. With its raw power and all the high-end features Samsung has to offer, the Ultra is once again the series beast. Due to delays with the Exynos 2500, which later powered the Galaxy Z Flip 7, the Galaxy S25 series earlier this year mostly relied on Snapdragon CPUs. Now, everyone is waiting to see what Samsung will do next. This January, if history is to be repeated, the Galaxy S26 series will make its big premiere, and the competition between Exynos and Snapdragon will once again be the main attraction. With the impending Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung is once again redefining the norms of innovation. And if IT expert Anthony's reliable assessment of the Galaxy is accurate, this flagship will represent a stunning advancement in photographic skill, display brightness, and performance. The revolution in cameras starts. It's not merely an improvement for the S26 Ultra. It's entering a completely different league. More light can enter the camera thanks to a wider main camera aperture, producing images that are brilliant, detailed, and realistically clear. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.